Hi, my name is Chaz Knight. Thank you so much for joining us today on Pilatesology. This is my student Justin, and we'll be taking you through a strong, basic Cadillac workout focused on your everyday male body. It's going to be lots of variations focused on strong upper body work and lots of accessible stretches. Let's get started. Now you're doing an upright row at the gym. Bend your elbows wide and pull the bar to the base of your ribs and push it away and pull. Broad collarbones, wide elbows, and now push it away. Good, one more time. Use the bar to lift your belly and come up. Ooh, we're shaking, I love it. Untuck the toes, point your feet, and again we sit. Now feel the power in your hamstrings as you press down through your shins. Stay, lower the legs, inhale, low belly, big exhale. Woo, look at that pelvic stability, two more. And draw in, yes sir, one more. Oh, showing off, one more, exhale, lift, 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 hold.